Completed 2 remanufactured motors, and we're getting ready to ship them. So we thought we'd take this opportunity to make a video on what we do, because about 60% of our motors we ship out. They're never here, and we build to order, so the motors don't hang around. They're not in stock. We build them, and it works out very well because the customer gets a Mercury if he wants a Mercury. He uses his own controls. Sometimes he even gets his own motor back. So we have a nice 90 Merc and 70 Avenue. It's about a 1990. That's 1992. Completely remanufactured with brand new pistons, rebuilt carburetors, repainted, new decals, rebuilt lower unit, new trim motor, stainless steel tilt tubes, and a list that's too long for this video, so the list is actually on our website. We actually document what we put into them. These go for about $5,700, fully warranty. We've been doing probably this motor, probably did my first one 27 years ago. So we've probably done hundreds of them. Fantastic motor. We only do motors that have a good history through the past. So therefore, actually an older motor with a history, in our opinion, can be more reliable than a newer motor. History is the best teacher on what is good and what is bad. Some of the new motors that are coming out today might be great, and 5 years down the road, 10 years down the road, it might not be that great. So we only take motors that are on our list. We have a list on our website of 32 motors. They're the ones that we're comfortable with. We have ample parts with. We know we can get ample parts for. So those are the ones we do. Very, very, very infrequently do we have a hard time getting parts for these motors. Mainly because it's a long production run. They made millions of them, year after year after year. So, in addition to remanufactured, by the way, these go for about $5,700. We do recondition, where like this 48 horsepower Avenue here that came in, it's probably about a mid-90s motor, has perfect compression. So I like to just recondition it, which is rebuild carburetors, new water pump, rebuild starter, new water pump. And these get a warranty as well. You could save quite a bit. You can save about half on a reconditioned motor. It varies from time to time. These are not really posted on our website, but we go from there. We do have quite a few of these in, so it's a cost-effective way to go, and we never sell a motor that we don't feel we can warranty. We also service your motor. If a lot of times people don't want to completely remanufacture motor, we can recondition your existing motor, add reliability. Been in business 31 years. So, and each motor is tank tested. If you have the boat here, obviously we go for a ride, but we also run them in a test tank, break them in for you a little bit, go through almost a 60-point inspection that's also available if you want to see it. We will gladly send it to you. It's called a data sheet. So that's basically, briefly, what we do.